Click Calibrate. In the base step interface, click Print. Enter the value where the lines perfectly overlap into the input box and click Calculate. Click Print again. Ensure the lines at value 0 are fully aligned. Click Save. Select Machine Inspection. Click Angle and Vertical Check. Adjust the nozzle angle to align the upper and lower parts. Make the line in the middle of the horizontal lines on both sides. Save. Select Vertical Overlap. Click Print. Observe the printed lines. Calculate the difference between the overlapping position and the current value. Then enter the result into the input box. Click Save. Select Horizontal. Click Print. Observe the lines and calculate the difference between the overlapping position and the current value. Input the result in the box. Click Save. Select Group Left. Click Print. Calibrate the right side using the same method. Select Nozzle Line Left. Click Print. Calibrate the right side in the same way. Click Save. And save and exit.